let me also just put this out for the benefit of our viewers. You were one of the first vaccines to get registered against coronavirus, right? The efficacy of Sputnik V, like you said, with the data published at Lancet, one of the world's most oldest and most respected medical journals. In fact, important to highlight that Sputnik is one of the 3 vaccines in the world with efficacy over 90%. Then, why do you think that there was this initial skepticism over the vaccine, say, over the Western formulas?
Well, I think, first of all, the skepticism is gone because some people just tried not to make Sputnik successful, but following results of the Lancet and successful vaccination, there is no more skepticism. I think the only questions that people are asking is about production of Sputnik, and here we have great partners.
But why do you think it existed in the first place?
Well, frankly, there are big pharma companies who are not very happy about some of the competitors that are coming to the world. But we believe that all of the different producers should work together, as we have a partnership with AstraZeneca. So we believe some players wanted to contain Russia, wanted to limit Sputnik V from accessing the world. But we just want to be one of the players. In none of the countries we can serve more than 25% of the population. So we are just part of the total portfolio solution. And frankly, all of the skepticism is gone. You see very positive reaction even from Europe and Germany, and Chancellor Merkel has been very positive.
Sure.
Places that have traditionally been skeptical a bit about, cooperation with Russia.
Sure. Let me, Kirill, put you in a bit of a spot right now. When you talk about India, and you know that we have other Indian vaccines here as well. There is Johnson & Johnson already in the pipeline, just like you, waiting for approval. How do you think Sputnik V actually fares against the other 2 Indian vaccines?
Well, first of all, I think we have great cooperation with AstraZeneca, and we believe that, given our shot to AstraZeneca vaccine, will make it more efficient. Johnson & Johnson, frankly, is just the first shot of Sputnik. So it's very straightforward. It's adenovirus 26, which is the first shot of Sputnik, and we will, work on that basis. And we believe it shouldn't be a competition of vaccine. There is, by the way, Serum Institute said this great point about vaccine really being in short supply for the next 2 years. So we have to understand vaccine is scarce. India is really a hub for the world for production of vaccines, and we should all work together, and we respect all of the other vaccines. They have done very well, they're saving lives, and we should be partners, and Sputnik V is open to give our shots to all of the other vaccine manufacturers if they want. It should be a spirit of partnerships and cooperation, and we see great results of Indian vaccines. It's great that India is doing so well on its vaccination.
All right, looking forward to that. Last question. Lots of stories doing the rounds regarding the name behind the Russian vaccine as well. Please explain to our viewers, where did the name Sputnik V actually come from? What does it stand for?
Well, we believe it's, one of the most recognized names. We've just done a poll. We'll share the results next week that 75% of the world population already heard about Sputnik V vaccine. And it just shows that Russia is an innovative player, country that contributed a lot, not only to space exploration, but also to immunology and other areas. And we are proud of Russian contribution, just as India should be proud of its contributions. And I think we should all respect one another and respect that Sputnik has been a great success before, and Sputnik V is a great success now.
All right, V for victory, as they say. Well, congratulations to you and good luck for the times ahead. Let's see, couple of weeks is what we are hearing at the moment from the drug regulator. Let's see what happens next. Thanks for speaking with NDTV.
Thank you so much.